VGR Pro have just launched this awesome new set aimed at professional barbers, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown and a review right now. This set comes in this soft touch zipper case and it is packed. Here's the main clipper, capable of 7,000, 8,000 or even 9,000 RPM, which means that you don't need to worry about the blade getting too hot. You can bring the speed down, but you still have the convenience of cutting through really thick hair on a high speed if you need to. I think having the option of the high speed is absolutely essential when you're cutting through very dense, thick hair, but I think it's nice to slow it down and not worry about the blade overheat when the clipper is not required to do the heavy labor work. But it's useful that we have the option to run at 3 different speeds for different hair types. So I've worked exclusively with this big clipper for a week, and what I found is there's absolutely no blade overheat at all, and I'm going to show you later on why I think that may be, but it's a joy to cut with, and I just love this little touch. They've put a hook on the back of it, so if you don't want to use the stand, you can hang it. This is the DLC coated blade that the big clipper comes with, and I think these grooves help to keep it cool, but also the oil reservoirs on the moving blade inside, I think that helps too. The little trimmer, something we don't see very often, also comes with 2 speeds, and it's a bit of a looker. This T-blade is perfect. I always like to work with T-blades. I find them more accurate to work with. And you can see how densely packed the teeth are. They have those grooves again on the back. I don't know if that helps keep it cool, but I certainly had no overheat problems. The blade is really finely set, and I didn't experience any blade irritation at all when using it. But check it out, VGR have loaded this with goodies. The great thing is they've given you an extra set of casings, so if you want to customize it a little bit, you can, and they're metal. I like that they put metal casings on. So if I take that off, look at that underneath, well protected. All the innards are well protected from cut hair getting in there. And this is what it looks like with the black metal casing. So there's the set with black. Honestly, I prefer the red. This soft touch kind of rubbery plastic. It's quite nice to hold, not too heavy. American plug, and I love this. 2 charging docks, 1 for each clipper and trimmer. The range of guards that they've given with this set is really more than you need. We have 1.5 mil, 3 mil, 4.5 mil, 6 mil, 9 mil, 12 mil, 16 mil, and 19 mil. Most professional barbers won't use those last 2, but it's nice to see that they've catered for people who maybe want to buy a high quality kit to have at home. So there's some longer clipper guards that you could use for home hair cutting if that was what you were buying it for. Also in the kit is a range of guards for the small trimmer, which goes from 1 mil to 7 mil. Now, where's this useful? Not many professionals will use those trimmer guards in a professional setting, but again, VGR are making sure all bases are covered. So I tried using these trimmer guards on my own beard. The points of the guards pick up those curly kind of face hairs really well and lift them up off the skin. And one of the great things, I like to travel a lot, so one of the great things is that having these guards, if you're traveling, what you can do is just pop one over the blade and then stick it in your travel bag, and that's going to protect the blade while you travel. So these guards, they may not get used often, but I'm glad that they've covered all the bases and included them. The last 2 guards I'll talk about, right ear taper and left ear taper. You do sometimes see them included in kits, and this kit is super comprehensive. They have included everything. And of course, when it comes to battery, how long does it take to charge is quite important. So they're saying 2 hours full charge and a 4-hour runtime. To me, that seems okay. The way that I work is I like to have the dock at my station with the clipper on charge all the time. So I never actually run out of charge. It always is charging. Overall, with this set, I feel like VGR are trying to make a splash in the industry. They've come up with a really beautiful set, a range of different speeds on the motor. There's charging docks, more cutting combs than any barber could ever need. It comes in a really nice case, which is ideal for transportation. I love the robust design, the LED display, which shows what speed you're cutting on. It tells you if you need oil. It tells you the battery level. So you always know where you stand. I hope that you did enjoy that review. And if you are thinking of purchasing this set, there is a link down below in the description of this video, which will take you directly to where you can buy this exact set. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.